And welcome back. Well, as I mentioned, that the Sunshine Performance Club will be having a program coming up on Sunday, and with me right now is Sunshine Louie and David Hartman. Welcome.
Thank you.
So let me ask you, this one time around, is this kind of what you've done in the past, or it's something new?
Well, we did something similar in October of last year, but it was at Clubhouse 7, and it was kind of jam-packed.
Okay.
And so this time, what we're doing in Clubhouse 5 is we're having the dance, and we're having it kind of like over in the area in the back. So there's going to be plenty of room for dancing. And the Cordells are going to be doing the music. They do the music every, once a month over at Clubhouse 2 for TGIF, so they're known in the community. And so an hour of dancing, people can bring their food, their drink, and then we start the stage show at 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Our shows have been just musical variety presentations, but this is a little unusual in that I think it's the second time that we've had or begun the event with a dance.
Okay.
And you know, we have a very active group of people here, younger people, from my standpoint anyway, who love to dance. And the Cordells have been very popular providing dance music. So we thought we'd put on first a dance for an hour and followed by the musical variety that we customarily provide.
Okay. So this is going to be longer than normal because it starts at 6 as far as the dancing?
Yeah, because the dance is an hour and then the show is a couple hours.
So people bring their own food and drink?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And as far as the, are you going to have a table set up, or how's that going to work as far as once the show begins?
There's going to be some long tables for people to sit at and get up and dance.
All right.
And then during the show, it's just regular seating.
And what about getting there, if people don't want to dance, can they come there at the start of the show, or what do you suggest?
Sure, they can come and they can get their seats early, because the seats will be set up.
So. Oh, they will, okay.
Yeah.
Now, it's $5 at the door, and as far as that, I know you always benefit the foundation, right?
Right, the foundation will have a table in the lobby, and so I'm hoping a lot of people will stop there, in that it's only $5, and the foundation can sure use all the help it can get.
Tell me about the music that you're going to be having there.
Well, we got some pretty fun things going on. The extra fun thing for me is that the Sugar Babes, my daughter and my two sisters, are going to be singing, and so they're coming from far away. But we are starting the show off with Feeling Good. I think that's a good way to start the show, and we're ending it with You Make Me Feel So Young.
Okay.
And that's a duet with Carol and Craig. They've duetted in our shows before and do a really nice job. And we've got so much good stuff in between. David and I are going to do a repeat.
A reprisal of a duet that we did when we had an evening of song back in June.
Anything you can do, I can do better.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, good variety. We have about 25 performers who are, we only get to do one selection, or perhaps in some cases 2 selections per performer, because we've got so many and such a good variety of things here that
got a little bit of country, a little bit of
well, a little classical, little piano solos from our 2 great pianists, Jackie O'Neill and Mark Hochberg.
And then we also have 2 other pianists. They're going to play some things for us as well. So we break it up and make it interesting for everyone.
An informal evening, really. Hopefully a lot of fun. People will really enjoy themselves with the dancing and casual eating and drinking, and then a show for a couple of hours. And people can come and go. It's open seating,
Okay.
and every penny goes to the foundation.
Now, as far as tickets go, you buy them there, or can you buy
Yeah.
them in advance?
You can buy them
Buy them there, okay.
People have them, so if people know someone, they can get them in
Okay.
advance.
Oh, they can get them in advance.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to sing a song I wrote
Okay.
about our own golf course. It's called At the Golf Course.
At the golf course. Okay. All right. Very good. Which golf course?
The big one.
Oh, the big one.
Yeah.
All right. And that one is something you have been working on?
Well, actually, I wrote it, I think it was in 2001.
Oh,
Actually,
okay.
before I met him. Well, I knew him because he played golf with my husband.
Okay. So you used to golf?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you still do?
Yeah. Well, not too much. Since he's kind of got away from it a bit.
Well, yeah, I've had health problems, so my golf has been very minimal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we were golfing together, so we still do it maybe once a month, but that's
Okay.
about
Well,
it.
that's good. Yeah. Okay. Now, again, the dance starts at 6 o'clock, and it's this Sunday at Clubhouse 5. $5 at the door, so the dancing goes from 6 to 7, and then the musical variety show goes from 7 to 9.
That's right.
Yeah,
Right.
very
Yeah.
good. And tickets, people don't need to get them in advance. They can get them
No,
right there at the
they
door.
can get them right there at the door.
Very good. Now, I wanted to ask, you mentioned bring your own food and drink, so there won't be any bar open or anything
No,
like
there's
that.
no bar. Because
Okay.
can't have a bar and open and people bringing their stuff. So.
Right. Okay. All right. Very good. And this is something that, again, you do usually every October or something similar, right?
Yeah, we've been doing 2 shows
Okay.
a year, and this is our 2nd show this year. So
All right. Very good. Well, again, if you want to go, it's this Sunday, October 6th. Hard to believe it's October already.
I know. How did that happen?
Yeah, at Clubhouse 5. So just head over there, $5. And if you want to dance, get there before 6 o'clock and have some fun. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
And we'll see you next time, and we'll be right back.